Thank you very much. Thank you, Uzbekistan, for this absolutely fantastic hosting of the GA of the UNWTO for the last few days. It's been amazing the way it went. I'm sure that this General Assembly of the UNWTO and the way it was hosted opened many new avenues in the future of the tourism and hospitality sector in this part of the world and in the country of Uzbekistan. So many congratulations to Uzbekistan. Many congratulations to Samarkand for becoming one of the most revered tourism cities as well. In the morning by the Honorable Minister. I'm going to speak on a couple of things which are a little different about sustainability. When we are talking about sustainability, we are talking about cultural heritage. We are talking about the social sustainability. It's very important for all of us to understand that sustainability is not complete only with its physical sense. We talk about climate changes, we talk about global warming, we talk about the pollution, we talk about the no plastics, which are, I think, the heart of the sustainable practices. And these are very important points. What is the key for the SCO countries? And I am standing in front of you representing the incredible India. We hosted the G20 summit recently with huge success, and India has emerged as a global leader after the G20 summit, more especially, and is leading the world in the sustainability. Our Prime Minister, Narendra Modi ji, has taken as a personal interest and passion to make sure that India becomes one of the most sustainable countries in the world. So as a partner country of the SCO, I think India is taking a huge leadership in making the sustainable practice as one of its principal goal and mission. Now, when we talk about sustainability, generally we talk about physical sustainability, but we are going to talk a little bit today about the social sustainability, the economic sustainability. Because without the social sustainability, the world will come to an end. Now, what is the social sustainability? It's about people. My previous speaker spoke about the hospitality industry very nicely when he was talking about people serving people. It's an industry, our industry, the tourism industry, the travel industry, hospitality, aviation. It's all about people. It's for the people, by the people, of the people, and everybody is involved. It's work, it's bread and butter for the people, for the economy. Almost 9.5% of the India's GDP is on the tourism. So people is very important, and social sustainability is about people. How you support the local community, how you treat your own associate, your own employees, how you treat your internal customers. These people are the soul of the business of tourism and hospitality. And the social sustainability is all about looking after people, making sure that they are well taken care of. What happened during the pandemic was that we lost as an industry globally a lot of our good people. Why did we lose? We lost because we didn't take care of them. We have not taken care of them. So they left the industry and they never came back. But there are chains, hotel chains, tourism companies all over the world and in India who have retained them in spite of a lockdown, in spite of the zero revenue. Still, they managed to pay their salary from their previous profits. And those companies are today thriving. They are today become so prosperous that you won't believe that the way India is exploding into one of the biggest economy in the world. So it's very important that just because of lockdown, we can't get rid of the people. Because people is the soul of the industry. When we talk about travel, we don't talk about the aircraft. We talk about the pilot. When we get and fly, we think that, oh, inshallah, the pilot is good, I will reach in time. We don't think about how old the plane is. We talk about the people who serves us, the people who makes all our food arrangements, the people who leads the hospitality industry, who makes your bed, who makes sure that you have the best food in the world. It's all about the people. I think supporting the local community is again one of the issues which is very important. Responsible tourism practices are, I think, very important and a part of the social sustainability. Because you have to understand that social sustainability leads to economic sustainability. Economic sustainability means more revenues, more top line, more profit, more macro level GDP for the country, for the economy, more economic development. And economic development can only take place when there is economic sustainability. And economic sustainability can only take place when the people are taken care of in across the industry. So let's concentrate on the social sustainability as much as we do for the physical sustainability. When we talk about the capacity building, skilling, yesterday in the GA, we spoke on the education forum. There's some fantastic speaker who spoke about the future of education, the skilling. Because skilling is the most important thing, and skilling is something that should be the priority number one. I represent International Institute of Hotel Management in India. We have got 16 campuses in India and 5 outside India. And we are setting up 100 new centers with the government of India together in small places, in small cities, where we are developing people to be skilled in this industry. And there are people who have joined us for 50-year-old. We are also trying to recruit fit and able retired people. We are getting people from who are differently able, who are physically challenged. We have got hotels in India where over 10% of the workforce are from differently able background. If I have to recruit a bellhop or a bellboy, I will rather have somebody who is a deaf and dumb, because I don't need to have a person who is fully fit, because I need to support that differently able category, number one. Number two, they get a job. Number three, they are much more focused. Number four, I get the skilled manpower. So we need to think more macro level. We need to think more out of the box. If there are people who have retired from other industry, we recruit them, we train them, we skill them, we reskill them, we upskill them. And we bring them to the forefront of the skilling population. Because skilling is huge, and without people, this industry will not really go to the pinnacle which we're looking at. And also education for the people. General people is very important. We're talking about the SEO countries, and educating the visitor and visiting are very important. A lot of AI, as the previous speaker spoke from the University of Time, is very important, because AI can actually make a lot of difference. It can really bring a lot of implement action. It can make a process faster. And it always makes the life of the travel friendly. So with that, I think we need to concentrate, focus more on people factor, on the social sustainability, which will lead to economic sustainability. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you. Thank you.